Hi friends, welcome back to Scratch Skills. In today's video, we're going to be checking out math operations in Python, specifically on integers and strings. Math operations evaluate automatically on Python. Math operations can include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. Let's start with operations in integers. So for addition, it's pretty straightforward. You add. So you can use the plus symbol. So 3 plus 4 should give out 7. And it does. We can add on to this how many other times we want. And we will get the answer for sure. Next is multiplication. For multiplication, we use the star symbol. So, if you use the star symbol, then you should get a multiplied answer. So 23 into 4 is 92. Next is subtraction. For subtraction, we can type in whatever we want. Oh, I forgot to put the print function. Print. Without the print function, it's going to give you an error because you're not assigning anything to it. So make sure you add the print function and you should get your answer. Next is the division. Now in this division, you will get the answer with a decimal point. So we have to make sure that we have that in mind. Let's try 85. Oh, shoot. Print. 85 divided by 5. Run it and we should get 17.0. But now what if I don't want that decimal? That's when integer division comes in place. That means 2 forward slashes. So let's type in the same. Print 85 divided by 5. Let's run this and we should get 17, just 17. Okay, now what if it's something that's not divisible? Let's try 83 divided by 5. And we should get 16.6 up and we should just get 16 down. Okay, moving on, we have the modulo division. This gives us the reminder of the division we do. So this is what we mainly use to check whether something is odd or even, and I'll explain that to you on fourth. Anyway, for this one, print 45 modulo divide is a percentage symbol by 2. Let's run this and we should get 1 because 1 is the reminder we get. What about by 5? We should get 0. Okay, now powers like squares or cubes or 2 powered by 4, something like that. So we have to type in print 2, 2 stars and whatever number you're squaring it with. So you'll get 16. Oh, we have so many 16s in here. Let's try 3. And we should get 8. So this is about the operations with integers. Addition is a plus sign, multiplication is a star sign, subtraction is a negative sign, division is a single slash, integer division without the decimal is a double slash, and modular division is a percentage symbol. Okay, moving on, let's start with strings. Now make sure strings are always characters. So we have to make sure that's in mind because when we're using strings, then we will use double quotes too, and it's mostly words like dog, cat, not numbers. So doing operations with this can be a bit confusing, so make sure you listen carefully. So over here, print, let's say cat plus 2. Oh, shoot, you have to get out of get out of the brackets. This will most probably give us an error because you cannot add a string to an integer. You can only add strings to strings. So let's try adding cat plus dog. Let's add a space and run it. And we should get cat space dog. Now I want this to print in a new line. So go inside the quotes and type in /n. And you should get a new line. You should skip a line and then go to another line. So cat space dog. It's really simple how this works. You can use this for adding many things like, hi, I like plus. I mean, you can write it directly. We will use variables in this case. So I'm just showing an example. I like dogs. And if we run it, we should get, hi, I like dogs. Now, multiplication in strings does something really different. What it does is print mm, Python into 10. Now, what this does is it prints Python for me 10 times. This is a real big time saver. Instead of writing Python in each print sentence, Python, 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 you just have to multiply it with what you need. And if you don't see any spaces like over here, then just add a space in front and then it should give you spaces too. So this is the only two mathematical operations that you can use on strings. Other than that, you cannot use any. You cannot subtract or divide strings. Now this is it for the operations on strings and integers, but I would like to add something and show you on strings. So let's take an input from the user and name it x. So x input is enter fav dot color. Now, this is the starting sentence. Now, I want you to create something that gives you something that puts this is your favorite color. Like purple is your favorite color. It should give you an output using the addition of strings, maybe. So, I want you to try this out by pausing the video first to check whether you got it. And after that, I will be showing the solution right after you pause it. Okay, go. Okay, I hope you guys paused it and did it because I'm going to tell the answer now. So over here, what you're going to do is print. Let's take a new line since new lines are better. Yeah, so new line, your, or we can put new line, x plus is your fave color. Full stop. Now we see an error over here. Do you know why that is? Because we are adding a integer maybe to a string. So to make that go, just convert it into a string by adding str brackets and that's it. I have an error over here. Oh, I think I have to add the plus symbol. Yeah, I forgot, sorry. So that's about it. And run it. And you should type in your favorite color. Purple. Purple is your favorite color. And that space. Enter favorite color. Let's type in blue this time. Blue is your favorite color. So this is about it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any doubts, make sure to add in the comments. I will be responding to them. And thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.